What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to do a quick market update on Bitcoin, where I think it's heading next. Now, if you watched my video 7 days ago, I called it to an absolute T perfectly at this level here, 62,850, and since then we've gone up 5% and around 2,812 pips. Absolute amazing trade. I'm very good in terms of on the macro on Bitcoin, like once you zoom out, like working out where it's going to go and stuff. I also called where is it? If we zoom out, around these levels to this drop, then the bounce, and then down to here, and yeah, now kind of called it up, and I think we've still got some room to the upside. However, we could potentially drop first, and that's what I'm going to go over in today's video. So remember to like the video, drop a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Hey guys, so what I just want to look at is if we just go to liquidation heat maps. Now we do have obviously liquidation levels up here at 66,000, also 66.5, and then up here like 67. So we're very close to that range that I'm looking at for Bitcoin to go before we have like a full reversal. However, we do have these liquidation levels around here, and we obviously have a fair value gap along here as well at anywhere between 64,700 to kind of like 64,100. Now, if we come into the charts here, and we look at this level around 63 to about 64, that could potentially, we could potentially come down here, all right, use this as support. So we've got rejected here, rejected there, rejected there, rejected there. We come down, we turn rejection into support, and then we take that next leg up to get rid of this fair value gap here, which is anywhere between like 67.5 and $70,000. So, I mean, if you're looking to open a trade now, I probably wouldn't, if I'm being honest. Let's drop down to a 30-minute time frame. Do have a weak high up here. However, we do have this fair value gap around the liquidation level at around 64 to 64,500. So, possibility is that we come back, we fake out past the equilibrium, we feel the fair value gap, we bounce from previous resistance, start using that as support, and then basically come down, edge sideways, and start basically making our way back up. So if you are trading at the moment, we could continue to rise from here, but I think the possibility is more likely that we basically fall, move sideways, start edging up, and then we break out to the upside again. So guys, just to conclude in the video, I just wanted to do something real quick, straight to the point. We did the 5% move 7 days ago, went from these levels all the way up to here. Absolutely brilliant. If you jumped on that trade, amazing. If you want to get access to trades as well, just join the free public Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. What I would probably do now is just wait. All right, we could start heading up from here. We could come back down, fill this fair value gap. We've got liquidation levels up here. We've got liquidation levels down here, and tiny bit lower as well here. So I'd wait for direction. If we do start edging down to here, I'll probably open like a buy limit somewhere around this area here, with like a fairly tight stop loss, maybe like a $500 or $800 stop loss there, and then start going like to the upside. But I'd probably basically wait for the moment just to see, obviously, confirmation of direction, whether we continue to the upside first or we go to the downside. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below of anything that you want me to, and any other videos you want me to do in terms of technical analysis, anything about crypto, anything about FX or trading, anything like that. Also join my public Telegram channel, links in the video description. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.